Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gravey. Now then guys, for this video, as you can see, it's brew day, back in the brewery, brewing up. But also, as you can see, for the first time in a while, I'm doing some filming. I'm going to try and get back to filming some grain to glass style videos in the way that I do them. As you can see, camera not on the stand at the moment because I'm actually using it to film this little video. Camera in question being my iPhone 11. I did use my, or I did try to use my JVC camcorder earlier, but I think it's on its last legs. Might be time to invest, or might be time to use this a little bit more. Anyway, not beating around the bush, not dawdling. The beer in question today, I think this might actually be the first time I've brewed this in a oil grain form, because those of you that have been with me for a while, you might recognise that name, Cascarillo Amber Ale. Although with that grain bill, I'm kind of hoping that it is going to be quite amber-ish. And let's not forget the stars of the beer, Amarillo and Cascade hops. And my yeast of choice, White Labs WLP 008 East Coast Ale. The recipe, or the predicted ABV of on my Grainfather app, is a decent, well, a little bit low, but probably still respectable, 3.5% for that particular grain bill. I will report back as I am as I end today's brew day. I'll probably show you a little sample of what the beer will look like, and let's just hope it does turn out quite amber coloured. And then, of course, in due time, I will upload a full grain to glass video. So keep your eyes peeled for that one, guys. Now, guys, well, that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gravey, and I'll see you later. Cheers.